I'm in my bed. It was all just a dream, and oh my gosh, why do I sound like this? Ah! Okay, Rue. Just think this through. Why does your voice sound like this, and when did I get this cowboy hat? Ah! I have cowboy hat phobia. I guess I'm just gonna have to live the rest of my life sounding like this. I can still cook. Here's my cookbook.
The Encyclopedia of Immaturity, not a real cookbook.
I bet it's done. Well, Meadows, it looks like it's the end. We can escape, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
Yeah!